Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I hope you all are fine and doing good at your homes and houses. So today's our topic is very interesting and it will be very informative for yourself. So let's start our video and let's see how much you can and how can you edit your videos. So basically our topic is about to editing and edit your videos and photos. So before starting our topic, if you are new to our YouTube channel, then subscribe our YouTube channel, press the bell icon so you will get our videos as soon as well. So let's start our video and let's see how much and how can you can edit your videos and photos. Basically we will start from the video editing. So let's go to the our Play Store. So you have to just download here from a CapCut application. It is a video editor application. You can see here is 5 million downloads and 5 million reviews. So it is a very thick traffic, you can see here. And the other part is easy cut, and you can also use it because it is also very have unique features and can easily be edit your photos and videos. So its download is 10 millions and 184k reviews. So yes, it is very, both are very interesting application. Let's explore our CapCut application. So let's open it and see how it can be useful and how we can edit our videos from here. So here is one clip. I want to edit this clip. I think it will be open. So no, it will not open. So we can take this clip. Okay, first of all, I want to mute this sound. Okay, now I want to split this. Okay, now we will start our editing here. So you can see we can easily edit here. Now see the features of this application. You can see edit option. First of all, explore this edit option. By clicking on editing, you will get split, speed, animation, style, delete, lock on, and outcut, volume, extract audio, edit, filters, adjust, retouch, mask, overlay, replace, stabilize, capacity, reduce noise, voice effect, copy, reserve, freeze, motion blur, and graphics. So these are too much features which are although free, so you can use them for editing your videos. From here you can hide the resolution of your video, or you can uh, from here you can less the resolution of your video. From here you can increase the frame and decrease the frame. So it's upon you how much you need and how much your gallery has space. So let's explore other features. There is a audio feature. By clicking on audio, you will get sound effects, extract, record. So here is a sticker. You can easily put any sticker, any kind of sticker which is animated stickers, and there are also too much options in stickers, so you can use this. There is a overlay option, effects, filters, ratio. Here is a ratio. If I want to YouTube, so I will do like this. If I want mobile, then I will do this. And if you want to fix that, then you can fix like this, like this. So it is free size. And if you want on your TV, so you have this ratio, so you can easily do any kind of ratio. So Guys, today is our topic is ended here. So I hope you all have enjoyed our video. If you have enjoyed our video, then subscribe our YouTube channel, press the bell icon so you will get our videos as well as soon we will be meet in next video. Take care of yourself. Have a good day.